If your Casio F-91W has had an impact and you're worried that some of the digits might not be displaying properly, you don't have to wait until a certain time. You can press all three buttons down and it will light up every single digit. So this button, and this button all at the same time. So press and hold now, and then you can let go. And you can see now that everything is lit up. So you can have a good look around now, and if yours looks like this, you know that your screen is still working fine. Now you might think that that second digit there looks a bit funny, so second from the right hand side, but remember that's the date, so it's only ever going to be 1, 2 or 3, so they don't need to have that top left bit included. You can see the one next to it looks like an 8. That's because that has to include 8, but this one is only 1, 2 and 3. So if yours looks like that, you know that your screen is working okay. Obviously, if some of them are missing, you now know that your watch has indeed failed. To get rid of it, just hit that button there and we're back to normal. So again, just hit all three buttons, let go, and that's how you check it out. Thanks for watching.